My 2 secret ingredients for fresh skin and glossy hair. Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm back with another fantastic video for you all. I was more than excited to share the content of this video. Before we begin, I have to ask you something. How does the idea of beautiful skin that is free of acne, scars, and blemishes sound? Imagine how good it feels to have fresh, soft, smooth, and glowing skin. And what about thick, glossy hair that we see on shampoo commercials? Every one of us has a weak spot for flawless skin and healthy hair. There are plenty of good skincare products in the market, which is quite pricey. And I personally believe that using natural ingredients is more effective and budget-friendly. So in today's video, I'll talk about my 2 favorite ingredients that have become my holy grail. They have become an essential part of my skincare and hair care routine, and I'm blown by their results. I'm sure you'll love all the benefits that I'll share along with some DIY masks and paste. So let's find out those ingredients. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please take a second to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. The 2 ingredients that I'm in love with these days are neem and turmeric. Neem is a prominent ingredient in many face washes, cleansers, creams, serums, hair oils, and shampoos. It is famous for its antibacterial properties in preventing bacterial growth. Neem is also rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, which moisturizes the skin and replenishes dried skin. The other ingredient is turmeric. It's a famous spice and is used in many delicacies. The yellowish-orange powder is packed with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It fights bacteria, prevents acne breakouts, and restores a beautiful glow in the skin. Both the items are easily available on Amazon and other stores, so you don't have to worry about not finding them. Let's talk about the benefits of neem and turmeric and how they can help you transform the skin and hair that you always dreamt of. Number 1. Acne-free skin. The first benefit of neem and turmeric is that they can help you get rid of acne and make your skin clear, smooth, and healthy. Both neem and turmeric have antibacterial properties, so they fight the acne-causing bacteria and help get rid of it. Now, the acne problem is not the same for everyone. Some people have acne breakouts due to hormonal issues. Some ladies develop it around their menstrual cycle. Sometimes people get it when they don't clean and exfoliate their skin often. A few months back, I returned from an event. I was so tired that I passed out on my bed without removing the makeup. And I'm sure you know what happened next. I got 2 really painful pimples on my face. So if you're dealing with pimple breakout due to oily skin, applying makeup or wearing a mask, these 2 ingredients can help you wipe out all the pimples from your face. The first method I use to treat my pimples is to dip Q-tips in neem oil and turmeric paste and apply it over my pimple. Mix a pinch of turmeric with a few drops of neem oil to make a thick paste. Now, this may sound contradictory to treat pimples by applying oil, but neem oil is different. It has soothing and cooling properties. It's a key ingredient in acne-fighting products because of its unique property of removing excess oil from the skin without over-drying it. You can also make a neem face oil if you have oily skin and an oily T-zone like me. You need a few drops of neem oil, jojoba oil, and rose water. Fill up a spray bottle with rose water. Add 3 to 4 drops of neem oil and jojoba oil. Now give it a good shake and spray on the washed face before sleeping. You'll have bright, nice, and oil-free skin in the morning. Moving on to our second benefit, which is clearing scars and blemishes. Now, neem and turmeric give mind-blowing results for fighting acne. But did you know these powerful ingredients can also help eliminate all the stubborn acne scars and blemishes on your skin? Just imagine you won't need extra concealer to hide your scars, thanks to turmeric and neem oil. Frequent application of these ingredients will lighten the rough scars and eventually vanish them. So the first thing you need is neem powder, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and mix all these ingredients and apply them to the scars. Leave the paste for 20 minutes and then wash it off with water. If the turmeric stains your face, you might need to use this gentle foaming cleanser. After washing the paste, you'll have fresh and glowy face. Number 3. Treats dark circles. Staying awake the entire night for a movie or a gossip session with friends sounds too good. But in the morning, those dark eye bags make our face look tired and dull. I sometimes like to binge watch my favorite movies or series, but in the morning, no matter how much concealer I use, my dark circles do not hide. I even tried some really expensive under eye serums to help me get rid of those bags, but it wasn't really worth it. I mean, it took a long time for them to work, and secondly, they were quite expensive. But then I found out that turmeric can be super effective in treating dark circles. And trust me on this, I saw the results within a week. All it took were 3 easily available ingredients and nothing fancy. You need 1 full tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1/2 tablespoons of honey. Mix all the ingredients and apply them under your eyes. Leave it on for 15 minutes and use lukewarm water to wash it off. You can use it on alternate days to see the better results. Now, let's move on and see if neem oil and turmeric can solve the problem of dry skin. Number 4. Moisturizes dry skin. One thing that irritates me the most in winters is dry skin. If my hands or feet are dry, I feel so uncomfortable, or if something grazes against my dry skin, oh my god. I always keep a stock of moisturizing creams and lotions. I cannot imagine running out of them. Apart from my lotions, body butter, and other creams, I've added neem to treat my dryness. Before going to bed, I simply mix a few drops of neem oil and olive oil and massage my hands and feet. Neem oil contains vitamin E and fatty acids. It moisturizes my skin overnight, and I wake up with the softest skin. This combination of oil is not only helpful for your skin, but also your hair. I have prepared a bottle and mixed both the oils in the ratio of 1/2, which means 1 part of the neem oil and 2 parts of olive oil. Now to get the best results, apply hair oil, massage it nicely for a few minutes. Meanwhile, dip your towel in hot water, squeeze out extra water, and wrap it. The warmth of the towel will allow the oil to penetrate better and nourish your roots. Do this twice or once a week and you won't stop touching your hair. The next benefit of neem oil is extremely helpful if you have a dry, itchy scalp. Number 5. Treats dandruff. Dry scalp means dry and brittle hair and dandruff. I've already mentioned massaging your hair with neem oil for a healthy scalp, but there is one more remedy that will remove dandruff from your life. For this remedy, you'll need a handful of neem leaves. Boil them in a distilled water and let the water cool. Spray this water on your scalp and hair and gently massage. Use an anti-dandruff shampoo to rinse the neem water. Spray this water 2 times a week and you'll see a massive difference in your hair. Number 6. Helps getting rid of head lice. School-going kids often get tiny creepy crawlies in their heads. It makes the scalp itchy, irritating, and disturbs a child's sleep. You can use neem water or a paste of neem powder and almond oil to clear your child's hair from these tiny blood-sucking insects. Now you have plenty of DIY masks and oils for flawless skin and healthy hair. So order neem leaves and turmeric powder to start your skincare and hair care regime from today. I hope you enjoyed this video and as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with the people you want to get amazing skin and hair without spending much money. Now I want you to test the above remedies and tell me which one works the best for you. Till then, take care, goodbye. I'll see you next time with another fantastic video.